start out with some ground beef, 80-20, and what I've done is put it in a bowl. I'm going to be using taco mix, the mild seasoning, because I got challenged to do the one season challenge. So this is my one seasoning. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to mix it, and I'm going to just mix this in. I am going to be using all of the package because I do have a lot of meat. So just mix it in and keep watching. A great tip is I did not use it all at once. I mixed it in little bit by little bit because to avoid the clumps and also the seasoning just blending in incorrectly. So I decided to mix it in as parts. So I put a little bit of seasoning in and then mixed it, and then put a little bit of seasoning in and then mixed it until the packaging was gone. This one seasoning challenge was created by Adrian's Cooking and Food Review. So if you haven't, go check him out. I'm also going to be going in with a little bit of minced onion as well too. And I just want to mention Adrian Cooking and Food Review also does cooking recipes and tutorials as well too. He cooks a lot of authentic Jamaican foods, so go check him out. With that, you guys, we're gonna go in with a little bit of beef bacon. That's right, if you guys are on the East Coast, you can buy this at Walmart and Shoppers. If you're on the West, go to Walmart. I'm just showing you the ingredients that I'm going to be using in my queso, which was the Velveeta cheese and then also the Rotel diced tomatoes and jalapenos. So as of right now, I'm just cutting up the cheese just in block sizes because I want this to melt in the oven. By the way, go ahead and heat that oven up to 350 degrees. So I'm just going to place the cheese inside the pan as of right now. So therefore, when the cheese does melt, it melts evenly. Now I'm going in with the Rotel. I just want to mention that I did not use all of the liquid in there, so make sure you dump out at least some of it. Now I'm also going to go in with taco blend cheese as well too because I want this cheesy. You're going to cook the queso and the beef bacon for approximately about 25 minutes. Now here I'm just forming the patties, and I'm pretty much showing you how I formed them and then placing it on the pan. But keep watching to see what I do next. Now on each side of the patty, it's going to need to cook approximately about 6 to 7 minutes, just depending on your stove top. But a great tip is once it reaches the brown stage of your patty, you're just going to flip it over and continue the process and keep cooking. And I'm trying to tell y'all, my kitchen smells so good right now. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. And as you can see, I'm flipping my patties over because they have browned on the other side. And from here, I'm just gonna let them cook. Keep watching. Okay, so now since my burgers are completely finished, I like my burgers well done, you guys, but definitely you guys can cook them the way you like because it's your burger. But on that note, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in some French fries in the air fryer because what better? Like, what goes better? French fries and hamburger. Yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these in here and then put these in here for approximately about a good 13 minutes or whatever your air fryer setting is. Just keep a watch out on them. So you guys thought I was finished? No. I have some jalapenos right here and also an egg wash, and I have some Italian breadcrumbs as well too, that I'm just dipping the jalapeno in the egg batter into the Italian breadcrumb, and then now I'm going to fry them. That's right, I'm going to fry them because it is kind of like a jalapeno popper. That is correct. So you're just going to cook these for approximately about 3 to 5 minutes, or depending on your stovetop, you're just going to watch and see until they turn golden brown. Once they do, go ahead and remove them. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and butter my brioche bread. Now, my brioche bread is already buttery, but I needed to add a little bit more butter on there for me, just because that's what I like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and toast these brioche buns. And from here, you're going to see. Keep watching. Now it doesn't take that long for the brioche buns to toast. So now let's go ahead and build those layers. I've added my brioche bun, my lettuce, my hamburger. On top of that, my jalapenos. Might as well call them jalapeno poppers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that crispy beef bacon. That's right. And from here, it's all downhill. That's right. Add that queso cheese on top, and then add your bun. And from there, it's like tasting a piece of heaven. I did sprinkle some cilantro, dry cilantro on top of the brioche bread, but with that. So make sure that you guys like, share, subscribe, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Shalom.